Imagine having a personal assistant that works 24/7, never sleeps, and can do everything, from writing your emails, to editing your videos, to even running your business. That's what AI tools are doing right now, and most people have no clue they exist. So in this video, I'm giving you 10 absolutely insane AI tools you probably haven't heard of. But once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Let's go. 1. Rewind AI. Rewind literally records everything you do on your computer. Meetings, emails, chats, browser history, and lets you search your past like a time machine. Can't remember that one PDF your boss shared last week? Just type PDF from Tuesday with revenue projections. Boom, found. It's like a second brain for your computer. 2. Opus Clip. If you post on social media, this one's for you. Opus Clip takes long-form videos and uses AI to instantly create viral short clips with dynamic cuts, captions, zooms, and even emotional scoring. One upload, 5 clips, 5-time reach. 3. Perplexity AI. Forget Google. Perplexity is what AI search was meant to be. Ask it anything, and it gives you a clean, direct answer, and even cites sources. It's like ChatGPT got a PhD in research. 4. ElevenLabs. Ever wanted to clone your voice? Or sound like Morgan Freeman? ElevenLabs is the best AI voice platform out there. It can turn boring text into cinematic narration in seconds, perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, or anyone making content. 5. Leonardo AI. This one's for creatives. Leonardo is a powerful image generation tool that gives you stunning illustrations, game assets, logos, concept art, all with insane detail. Think of it as Midjourney, but with a designer's brain. 6. Supernormal. Supernormal listens to your Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams call and automatically writes meeting notes, highlights, and action items for you. It's like having an executive assistant in your earbuds. 7. Mixo. Mixo uses AI to build beautiful landing pages with no coding, no design skills. You just give it an idea, and it generates a full website, copy, CTAs, everything. Side hustle, SaaS launch, use Mixo. 8. AudioPen. AudioPen records your messy voice thoughts and turns them into clean, structured notes. Perfect if you think faster than you type. 9. Notion AI. Notion AI can write, summarize, brainstorm, create tables, automate workflows inside your Notion workspace. It's your new second brain with a keyboard. 10. ChatGPT plugins and GPTs. Most people don't even scratch the surface of what ChatGPT can do. But with plugins